or some junior assistant, some staff from the bank or some staff from the office. There is a tendency. So that is also the government has given us recently some instructions. We have to improve on the FPO performance. So how FPOs are performing in the district.
Manager, Sri Rama Mohan Garu, Canara Bank Regional Manager, and all other line department officers and the other bankers. Welcome to you all. Now I request Srimati Madhuri Madam to give her key address.
Yeah, 283 branches are there. So this 5 kilometer from each of the villages, it is already taken care of. It is covered. Yeah. Any demands or anything for the new branches is still there from any quarters. Kurupeta town will be oversaturated because of so many cold storages and so many national highway business. That will be oversaturated. So what are the mandals which are underbanked that we can identify? We can share it with all the controllers. So whenever opportunity comes based on your bank's targets.
That though the quantum of time I have spent with him was so less, but kind of motivation and focused oriented personality is. Thank you so much for being, and we hope that this continues with us.
Yes.
Okay. So the CD ratio of our district is to perform well, and it should decide targets so as to contribute to the social economic development of the district. Sir, we take the pride to announce that our district got the approval for the RCT. In this connection, we request your Majesty to kindly allot a letter of allotment already submitted to Honorable District Collector, sir. I request this to take it as a priority call for us, because it will be very much beneficial for us to give a training to the skill development people who are deserved and even self-employed can be taken forward, sir. With this, I take a note for giving me this absolute amazing chance for me to talk over, and thank you so very much for that.
The district administration, all the departments, we have to just think about few points. We have to probably, I'll use the word introspect. We are showing the annual credit plan, which is in the range of maybe 30,000 crores for the whole district. Almost 15,000 crores we are showing as agricultural credit plan. And regardless of this, the farmers find it difficult to get the loans. They are still trapped in the vicious cycle of money lenders. They take the loans at the beginning of the season from some local fellow. They have to sell their produce to throwaway prices or reduced prices at the end of the season. And we keep thumping that we are giving these many loans to the farmers. So there is a dichotomy or discrepancy between these two scenarios. On one side, we are saying that the credit plan, we are doing so many things. And on the other side, the farmer seems to be not aware, or he is not getting the real farmer who is actually suffering, or who is in the trap of the money lenders. He is still there, the Kaulu Raitu or even the small marginal farmer, Inka Kuda, they are taking the loans at the local level with humongous interest rates, almost 36% a year or even 24% like that. And they are forced to sell their produce. So we are doing only the lip service to those kind of farmers. Nothing else. Booking చేస్తూ ఉంటాము, ఇంత లోన్స్ ఇచ్చాము, అంత లోన్స్ మళ్ళీ మాకు రికవరీ వస్తాయి, బ్యాంక్స్ ఆర్ హ్యాపీ, ఆ ఫార్మర్ సంబంధం లేకుండా నడుస్తుంది. If that is the job of this meeting that we are doing, we better not do this. You have to identify the actual needy poor fellows who require the benefit of the loans, and not the absentee landlords or somebody who takes the loan for not actual farming purposes but using that money to invest somewhere else. And then you are also happy because that fellow has the capacity to recover it back to you. మీ బుక్లో కూడా బాగానే ఉంటుంది, మా 100% లోన్ ఇచ్చాము, 100% లోన్ రికవర్ వచ్చేసింది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద జాబ్. సో దయచేసి అందరూ ఇక్కడ కంట్రోలర్స్ ఉన్నారు, సో మీరు మీ బ్రాంచెస్కి, మీ బ్యాంక్స్కి, అందరికీ, మేనేజర్స్కి మెసేజ్ ఇవ్వండి. ది పర్పస్ ఫర్ ఆల్ దిస్ యాక్టివిటీ ఈజ్ నాట్ టు బెనిఫిట్ ది బ్యాంకర్స్ బెనిఫిట్ కోసం ఈ డిసిసి మీటింగ్ కానీ డిఎల్ఆర్సి కానీ ఇది అన్ని మనం పెట్టలేదు. దిస్ మీటింగ్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ బెనిఫిటింగ్ ది poor through the government schemes. Your business is anyways going on. దాని